Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It is the day that I become a brunette from blonde for so long, just because I feel like I need to change going back out of lockdown. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch and I hope you do enjoy. And yeah, I'm just going to quickly explain to you what I'm literally doing right now before going back to brown hair. So quickly, I am dyeing my hair red because I've heard from like a lot of people that you need to kind of go like red so that it can take the brown back from when you went blonde, because just dye like your brown hair dye onto blonde hair, your hair might turn green, but then if you go red and then brown it should be alright, like, and it's supposed to be like less kind of patchy and last longer as well. The state of my hair is absolutely disgusting, but like this, literally I washed it the other day and I've literally had it in plaits ever since, and I've literally just taken it out, and so that's why it's kind of a bit like wavy because it's been in plaits. But I'm going to literally be brushing it out, putting it into sections, and yeah. So just for a little reference here, I am using the red Garnier this one basically in the shade Fiery Red 6.60, and then I've only got one packet of that because I feel like I won't really need too much of that, but then I do have two of the brown dyes which are both in the shade medium dark brown, which is like 4.5. Yeah, I mean, actually it's really good. Like, I didn't even realise that it's like a new kind of conditioner with it as well, which includes 5 different oils. So obviously it'll help your hair after you've had it like dyed. It's got avocado oil, olive oil, shea oil, cranberry, and the new argan oil range in that as well. Also on the back it's actually got like kind of obviously how your hair would turn out depending on what colour you have, like what you are previously. However, also if you go onto the website as well, they did this thing where you kind of like take like a live picture of yourself, and then depending on like if you don't know what colour you want to be or how you would look with that certain colour, it literally just like swaps your hair around and puts like, you know, this colour on virtually, just to kind of like temporarily see if like that is the correct colour that you want to go for. And yeah, the website was really helpful, and I basically just did that as well, just to like make sure. But yeah, so I'm going to start this now and I'm going to pop the red on. I'm going to section my hair, but I feel like you guys don't probably want to watch all that, so I'm just going to do like a little time lapse and hurry the process up, and then I will talk to you after that. Okay guys, this is my red hair, which is, not gonna lie, a bit patchy. Didn't really realise that, but we're just gonna roll with it. Obviously I'm not keeping this colour, so like no offence to any people that dye their hair red, but it's just not me. Like, it just doesn't suit me at all, and it really washes me out really bad. But yeah, just going it for now, before I dye it brown. Hopefully this kind of hack slash trick works, because otherwise I'm basically fucked, not gonna lie. So yeah, also don't mind in the background my TV keeps playing, only because I literally can't do anything like just doing one thing at a time. Like, I have to multitask and I always like have to have the TV on. It is actually Teen Moms 2 on Netflix if anyone's interested, even though they're probably not. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go and wash it off. I've literally kept it on for about, not gonna lie, I didn't even put a timer on, so I'm gonna say like about 15-20 minutes. I don't want to keep it on too long just in case, like, I don't really know, I'm just a bit scared of dyeing it red. But I've literally kept it on for about that long. I'm about to wash it off, and then I'm gonna quickly blow dry it without putting like anything in. Obviously I'm gonna like shampoo it like and all that sort of stuff while I'm in the shower, but then I'm not gonna put any like oil or anything like that on my hair. I'm just gonna go straight in again with the brown hair dye because I just want to get it done, and it is like currently like 9 o'clock and I actually do want to go to bed tonight. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like washed out. So basically, yeah, I've got red hair. Obviously it's not really a look for me personally, but yeah, basically as you can tell, like it's kind of lighter towards the bottom of my hair, and then more kind of, it takes the kind of like the non-damaged parts of your hair. So obviously the ends of your hair are going to be like the most driest part. I'm literally just going to whack a load of the brown dye on now, so hopefully it'll be a nice colour brown after it's finished. Okay guys, so I have currently just finished dyeing my hair brown. Obviously I've got to let it sit for a bit. I'm kind of freaking out a bit though because I can see like a bit of red coming through, but I don't know whether that's going to disappear or not. I'm going to have to see. Okay, so as I was saying, I can kind of see a bit of red, which I just need it to go. Look at my head. If this stains my head, I need to wash it off now, but if this stains my head all around here, then I'm absolutely like fucked for the next few days. Hi guys again, and okay, so this is like the final look. I nearly fell over, but what the hell, it actually has turned out really well. Let me just park my bum here. Yeah, it's just turned out really well, yeah, and I'm absolutely gassed. Like the colour, like yeah, I don't really have any words. It actually does look quite dark on camera, but honestly it is a bit lighter off camera. But yeah, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it's such a good idea like putting the red underneath, because otherwise I feel like it would just go like so patchy. But again, I have ordered some hair extensions so that, you know, like I just want long hair, so I've got ordered hair extensions which are on the way to get delivered, which I will put another video up on how to like kind of style the extensions and all that sort of stuff once I've kind of like had a play with them. So yeah, this is kind of the final look. I would like get it down, but I've just tied it up, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm super happy with how it turned out and how it looks. And yeah, here we are, new me, coming out of lockdown. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm super happy with kind of the process and how it's kind of worked out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching if you did get this far for obviously my hair transformation. And I hope this kind of helped anyone that is kind of thinking about doing the same, coming out of lockdown. Because honestly, if you're thinking about it, just do it, because like it's so good to just have a change. Like don't get me wrong, I'll probably end up going back blonde at some point again in the future, but honestly this is such a good kind of alternative and change, especially coming out of lockdown. I just wanted to have like a fresh start and everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like this video if you do end up enjoying it, to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also to share my content with people so that I can grow my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.